Hi, I'm Gibaud, and today I'm going to present you this smoke kit called Jenny Ninja Pro Hazer kit. I don't know in which order you said. I actually presented already a Ninja like this, a year ago, something like this. But this one is a lot more advanced. Yeah, there are many more things in the kit, and also you can do soap bubble with smoke in there. So I'm going to show you some sample picture I've made and also explain how it works. So let's start. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box. I'm going to start by the end. Okay, you've got this box, which is soap for the bubble. Important here, you get this small where you're going to put the liquid in there, and you have this nozzle that is important to use to create bubble. It includes a small kind of towel here, so when the soap falls you will not have everything dirty. And here you have the classical box, and you will probably find something you've already seen, which is the machine itself. Okay, here you will get also, it's hard to speak and show at the same time, a remote control, because you can control it remotely. Here you get the liquid for the smoke. You've got a fan to propel the smoke. Here you have this tank where you will put the liquid for the smoke in there. And here in the cap you've got some accessories. Okay, so it's really complete. What I like about this machine is because there is a battery you can actually remove. They sent me 2 extra batteries. There are standard batteries for that kind of batteries. Okay, so when you stop working, because it's empty, you can keep shooting, changing the battery. It takes 1 in there. So I've got this extra. I don't know if this extra was sent to me because it was me, or because it's included in the kit. It doesn't appear in the list of what's included, but yeah, you know that. Don't worry if you have to work full day and the battery would run out, you can have spare batteries and keep working. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, and show you samples. So let's see how it works. Okay, first, as you can see here, the battery goes here. Okay, and here you need to remove this. Okay, and here you have this small tank, which is where the liquid is going, and this small tank you need to screw it here. One thing, here you've got colors on the side, and depending on the mode you are, they are green, orange or blue. After using them it became red and it didn't work anymore. Okay, so I wondered what it could be, and actually it was an error color. It says red, it means there's an error. It was actually this here small hole was stuck because maybe the product dried in there or whatever. So I just blew in there and it was fine. Okay, so if you get this red here, that may be this mistake. So here you're going to screw it here. Then you're going to have to place the liquid in there. You don't actually place it in this hole, you place it here. You have to lift this rubber, and then you're going to put this in there. You should at least have always 1/3 of liquid in there. Okay, so I'm going to put quite a bit. Okay, I recorded first Spanish and French, so I didn't fill it completely, so I had some space left for the English. Okay, so here it is. Once this is filled, okay, you actually close this. So let's see how it works. To switch it on, you press this button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3 modes: fog, dry ice, steam. If I select fog, for example, yeah, I've got a button I can press here, or I can also press the remote control. As you can see, fog is coming out. That's easy. So, oh, sorry, forgot to say, you have to place this again. Okay, sorry, because you have to place the nozzle, everything. But as you can see, that works. Okay, so now we're going to see the different options and how it looks and what you can do with that. Okay, so it's so easy. Obviously, if you use the machine directly like this, you cannot orientate or tune exactly the smoke as you want. So there are different accessories. There is a fan that is really easy to switch on. You just put on, okay, it's you charge it with USB-C, okay, and then you press once for minimum power, twice for medium, and 3 for high, okay. Then you have tubes to orientate as you want, and this one is special form for dry ice, okay. We see it after that, okay. So again, if you want to use the fan, you place it here. Obviously you put the way out that is not in front of you but in front of, to go this way. And right now, like this, we're on fog, okay. You can put minimum level, get to switch on the fan, okay. On the minimum one, okay. Okay, you press, and as you can see, it really blows the fog, okay. So depends on what you want to do. You will use an accessory or another. You don't have to use the fan. It depends what you want to do. But as you can see, always is 1, 2, 3. Depends on low, medium, or high level for everything, okay. So it's easy. So now I'm going to show you different possibilities, okay. By the way, if you want to help me, I can help you too. I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. I don't speak about gear, just about technique, tuition, tips, all this. There's a join button just below, so you have access to exclusive videos just for members. And also in description, I've got affiliated links. Please use them, that really helps me. And don't forget, if you buy Luminar Neo or Aperty, you get a 10% discount with my code ERIC10, 10% on top of any offer they have. Right now, they have special offers because it's their 3rd birthday anniversary. So you put my code and you save a lot of money. So that's it. Thank you so much. To show you the 3 types of smoke, there are 3 levels, but 3 types. Here I've got the fog, as I said, dry ice and steam. Let's try with the fog. I've put this tube. Obviously you have some bent tube if you want to have like for a curve or things like this. Let's start with the fog. So we're going to go to the minimum power, okay. As you can see, this is the fog, okay. By the way, it's really important that when you do that kind of picture, your video, it's not in a windy place, or you don't move too much next to it, because otherwise it will fly away, okay? So that's important, okay? Then I'm going to show you the steam. After we'll come back for the dry ice. The steam, let's put also on the minimum. As you can see, it makes a bit, it's really thin, okay? As you can see, let's say I'm preparing a picture of a coffee, okay? I can put like this, up, or pizza, whatever, and I see the steam coming out. So it's easy. Now, when you want to do dry ice, you need this accessory, this foam. You place it here, you go on dry ice. So I'm going to show you a picture of Ingrid with a hat, a magic hat. But before that, I'm going to use this box that came with it and show it works. You simply fill. It's a lot. It makes the smoke so heavy that it stays like this. As you can see, I show you here, and you can actually pour it as if it was something magic, okay? That's the way it works, okay? So this is dry ice. If you want things to go a bit further or blow it further, you simply use the fan. That's easy. Otherwise, you can blow it this way. So now we're going to go for the bubble. So to make some bubble, you're going to need to fill this small tank here with the soap that comes with it. And here it comes with a small cloth also. I'm going to take out the nozzle so you have a look at it. There's a different nozzle. The nozzle comes in the in foam in this liquid tank, okay? You need to have the fan on it, and depending on what you want to do, you're going to select the fog you want, the fog or dry ice or steam as you want, okay? And first you're going to switch on the fan, okay? let's put it on 1, and simply, okay, you press, it goes until it comes in there. What's interesting is that actually there is, as you can see, smoke in each bubble, okay? Depending on the strength of the fan, it does smaller or bigger. As you can see, let's go for that. Okay, yeah, sorry, up. If I make really strong, I get a lot of small bubbles, okay? So it depends what you want to do, okay? So, but it's really easy to do, easy to have fun with that, okay? So what else? Well, not much. There's not much to say because I think I've said everything. Maybe a tip: when you're going to use the smoke, think where the light is, because it's not the same thing to do it in front of light like this. Even actually it's color, so you actually get reddish like this, okay? That's not the same thing as if I put it here and actually it's in front of me and gets white, okay? So you will have to check if things are okay this way or not, okay? When you look at smoke, maybe you think about discotheque smoke. It has nothing to do with it, okay? It doesn't smell, it doesn't stain your clothes, it doesn't hurt your eye, so really no problem. It comes with this bottle, but it's easy to find. On AliExpress they have some extra smoke for this kind of machine, okay? So it's easy to find, or Amazon or wherever, okay? So it's no problem. And that's great because when you're working 50 centimeters away from the smoke, you don't want to have your eyes crying or things like this. So perfect. What else? Well, that's it. I think this product is fantastic. It gives you great possibilities, combination to have different look, everything. So yeah, completely recommendable. If you're interested, I'll leave you a link in the description where you can buy it. What else? Thank you so much to Ingrid and to Isana for posing and having fun with this. Thank you to you for watching the video, and obviously thank you to Pergear who distribute this product, this Smoke Ninja Pro Hazer kit. So thank you to them, and thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, the small button on here and the small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, Gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. By the way, I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel that I don't speak about gear, just about photography, tips, tuition, all this. There's a join button just below, so you have access to my member area exclusive video just for you. Also leave your affiliated links in the description. Don't forget, if you buy Luminar Neo or Aperty, get a 10% discount with my code ERIC10, 10% on top of any offer they have. Right now they have third anniversary discount, but you get an extra 10% with my code ERIC10. Okay, so thank you so much for using it. That really helps me. What else? I'll also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.